starting with basic structure of antibody. Before we have seen how the antibodies are formed and the cell-mediated immunity and humoral immunity. So we have seen in before in the health and diseases. Now we are going to see the basic structure of antibody. So what is antibody? Antibody is specific globulin produced by plasma cells in response to specific antigens. Now, here this is the diagram. That is the structure of antibody. This antibody is how it is that we are going to see how it is composed of, and the structure it is. You can see here the antibody structure. It is just like a Y shape. So antibody is a Y-shaped structure. Okay. So here you can see it is made up of 4 polypeptides. 4 polypeptide chain in which 2 heavy and 2 light chain. These 4 polypeptide chains are there, and these 4 polypeptide chains in which 2 heavy and 2 light, and these are held together. These 4 polypeptide chains overall held together by the sulfide bonds. So here you can see that in this diagram, this Y-shaped structure, here 2 heavy and 2 light we are saying. So these are the upper one. This is, that is the heavy chain. So this is the second one, heavy chain. Now next is this light chain, and this is also light chain. And in between these 2 heavy chains, in that you can see the SS disulfide bond. In 2 heavy chain, you can see here these are the disulfide bond. It is also labeled. Then again, in case of the light chain and this heavy chain, there are also this disulfide bond. Here also you can see disulfide bond. So very simple and easy structure also to draw. This is the heavy chain and these are the light chain. Now in these heavy chain also, these are all, so that's why we can say these are the 4 polypeptide. So each polypeptide chain has 2 distinct regions, the variable region and constant region. So here you can see this upper one portion here, it is a label here, that is variable region of heavy chain. Variable region and constant region. So in case of this heavy chain, here this one dark portion, that is called variable region of heavy chain. Now, this is again in case of light chain, the upper one portion is variable region. So this one region is the variable region and lower one region is a constant region. Upper one variable and lower one constant region. Here up to this is the constant region. In heavy chain also, this is also the constant region. And in light chain also you can see this is the light chain मध्ये पण हा जो दिसतोय, this is variable region, this is the constant region. Here it is labeled properly, constant region and variable region. So simply these are the 4 polypeptide chain. You can see it makes the structure Y shape. Light chain are short, these heavy chains are long, and it is in such manner forming the Y shape. And they all these that is the polypeptide chains are that is having the disulfide bond. Now this is again that this portion it is called as the hinge. त्याला आपण म्हणतो here this heavy chain it is bending जो हा जो portion आहे त्याला आपण म्हणणार this is the hinge. This is the so this is the complete structure of that is the antibody. Here you can see the variable region जे आहे त्या variable region च्या इथे this is called as the amino terminal. This is the NN इथे लिहिलेलं आहे. So that is this portion. It is also called as FAB portion. That is the fragment. This is the fragment where antibody it gets bind, antigen it gets bind. So that is called as a Fab segment. Okay. And this is the FC, it is called sometime FC किंवा FAB म्हटलं तर लक्षात घ्यायचं FC, this is the constant fragment of this heavy chain. FC, this portion it is called, and this is called as the FAB म्हटलं जातं, where antigen it bind. So these are the antigen binding site, कोणते variable regions of light chain as well as heavy chain. This is the variable region of light chain as well as variable region of heavy chain. It is the that is this region where antigen it gets bind. These are the antigen binding sites. Okay, so that's why it is called as FAB, FAB. Antigen fragment where antigen gets bind. These are the variable regions. Variable region is अर्थ काय होतो? This is the constant and this is the variable. So there are the different types of the antigens, whatever the shape, sizes of the antigen, these fragment, it becomes flexible and it can makes the adjustment accordingly. आणि म्हणून हा कसा आहे व्हॅरिएबल रिजन आहे. So this is the variable region of the heavy chain. So these antibodies are specially we have already seen in case of the B lymphocytes मधल्या ज्या प्लाझ्मा सेल्स आहेत सेल मिडिएटर याच्यामध्ये जे आपण पाहिलं अगोदरच्या लेक्चर मध्ये की ज्या बी लिम्फोसाइट्स आहेत, बी लिम्फोसाइट्स इट गिव्स द प्लाझ्मा सेल आणि प्लाझ्मा सेल्स इट फॉर्म्स द अँटीबॉडीज. दिस इज अ ग्लोबुलिन स्ट्रक्चर, दिस इज व्हेरी important glycoprotein. So this is having such polypeptide chains, and in that is the complete it is having the 4 polypeptide chain in which the light chain, 2 light chain and 2 heavy chains are there. So upper one portion here it is, that is the variable region, and this one lower portion, that is the constant region. Okay, so here the variable region on both light and the heavy chain together form highly specific antigen binding site. So antigen binding site, just we have seen the that is the variable regions. So जो मगाचा हा जो portion बघितला, that variable regions of both the light and the heavy chain, they together form highly specific antigen binding site. So these antigen binding site recognizes and bind to the specific antigen. हे जे आहे heavy chain variable region, light chain variable region. So these binds to the antigen in which way? That is a lock and key fashion. Lock and key fashion to form antigen antibody complex. So we have seen here the structure of antibody कसा आहे तर and सोबत antigen जे आहे कोणत्या region ला bind होणार तर variable regions ला bind होणार. Variable regions which can make the adjustment, जो काही fragment आहे polypeptide chainचा, it can be flexible, it can make the adjustment according to the shape, sizes and the structure of antigen. So antigen binds to these upper one part, that is the variable region of heavy chain and the light chain. So this is the antigen, and in which way? That is the lock and key fashion. So in that way, the antigen antibody complex it is formed. Yesterday we have seen that antibodies, they always bind the antigen and forming the antigen antibody complex. And in case of some antibodies are free in the fluid. So free antibodies मध्ये पण आपण पाहिलं होतं agglutination, फ्री अँटीबॉडीजचे फंक्शन्स आपण पाहिले होते, ते पण रिकॉल करायचे की दॅट इज एग्लुटिनेशन, ऑक्सिनायझेशन, बॅक्टेरियाच्या भोवती कोटिंग तयार केलं जातं आणि त्यानुसार बॅक्टेरियाचं इनगल्फिंग होतंय, तो पार्ट आपण पाहिला, आणि न्यूट्रलायझेशन. तर या पद्धतीने फ्री अँटीबॉडीज असतात and some antibodies are free and some mostly they are forming the antigen antibody complex. The antibodies काय आहे? So these antibodies are formed by plasma cells of B lymphocytes. Antibodies structure आपण पाहिलेलं आहे, the Y-shaped simple structure you can draw, and here it is forming the upper one जो variable region आहे त्याबरोबर हा antigen bind होतात. आता इथे अजून two names you can see, that is epitopes and the paratopes. So epitopes is antigen determining that is the region, हा जो epitopes आहे, that is present on this antigen, and here the paratope, this is the antigen binding sites on this variable regions of heavy and light chain. Heavy and light chain मधला हा जो portion आहे, that is called as upper one is upper one is epitope, and this the region on the antibody variable region, that is called as the paratope. So these two terms are again there. That is we have just seen the antigen कशा पद्धतीने बाइंड होतो, लॉक अँड की फॅशन मध्ये. तर लॉक अँड की फॅशन मध्ये त्यामुळे दिस अँटीजनच्या सरफेसवर हा जो आहे इपिटोप, and this is the region that where antigen actually binds, that is called as a paratope. So this is the antigen antibody complex. So antigen antibody reaction, that how it takes place. So special, there are the different types of the antigen and many antibodies. Okay, antibodies, so many antibodies are there. Antibodies are also called as the immunoglobulin, IgG, IgA. So many are there. So this that is the antigen antibody. Antibody ला आपण काय म्हणतोय, immunoglobulin. These are the globulin which makes the function in immunology. That's why we can say immunoglobulin. So antibody, these are also called as immunoglobulin. This term you just remember proper. Immunoglobulin is the term, it is given by the WHO, World Health Organization. So simply we say it is the antibody. These are the globulin body. So it is helps in the immunity, and that's why the name, it is also called as the immunoglobulin. If it is structured, it is asked about, write notes on immunoglobulin. So you simply can should understand that is antibody. तर ते काय आहे, अँटीबॉडीजच आहे, हे लक्षात घेणं गरजेचं आहे. सो इम्युनोग्लोबिनचे प्रकार आहे. सो इट इज नॉट included mostly in your syllabus. So whatever the part, that is the structure of antibody, then antigen antibody reactions, and you can see, and you can collect again the more knowledge about the immunoglobulins, that is given in the special box as a home, that is the work for students. So you can find out the immunoglobulins. So immunoglobulins are nothing but the antibodies. Okay, so antigen antibody, how they bind in a lock and key manner, just we have seen. Now the study of antigen antibody interaction is called serology. Serology is the special branch now, because the health and diseases आपण पाहतोय की diseases मध्ये इतके प्रकार वाढलेले आहेत. Different types of the diseases can be detected on the basis of the pathogen nowadays. तर पॅथॉलॉजी असल्यामुळे that is it becomes very easy blood testing इतर माध्यमातून आपण मॅक्झिमम डिसीजेस जे आहे ते डिसीजेस फाइंड आउट करत असतो easily because of these pathological testing. So there are so many different types of the antigens that enter in the body, and many antibodies prepared by the body. So याची स्पेशल स्टडी जिथे होते त्याला आपण म्हणतो serology. So study of antigen antibody interaction is called serology. Antibodies are always antigen specific. These antibodies are always antigen specific. Yesterday we have seen the properties also of the antibodies. These antibodies are always antigen specific, combining sites of antigen called as antigenic determinants. Combining sites of antigen. Antigen ची जी combining site आहे, that is called as the antigenic determinants, means epitopes. Okay, that react with the corresponding antigen binding sites of antibodies called as the paratopes. So that is the portion paratopes on the antibody, and epitopes, that is to antigen. The antigen having the epitopes, antibodies is having the paratopes, and they bind to each other in such a way that is lock and key pattern. Specificity of an antibody for an antigen lies in its sequence of amino acid within the variable region of the tool chain. Specificity of an antibody for an antigen, it lies in its sequence of amino acid within the variable region of the tool chain. Just that we have seen, that is the in this structure, this is the antigen binding cell. So this is the amino terminal. So amino acid specific sequence is there, and according to it binds to the antigen. So this is the structure of the antibody. So here antigen antibody also reaction takes place. याचा जो बारकाईने अभ्यास केला जातो. So that's why in details we are going to see the structure of antibody. हे सगळे parts आहेत की variable region कशाला म्हणतात. This one portion is the amino terminal, it is called as. Here the amino acid sequence arrangement असते, and then antigen it binds to these terminal, okay, in lock and key manner. So this is the simple structure of the antibodies with these two chains, that is the light chain and that is the light chain and the heavy chain. Upper one portion is a variable region. So variable region is Y, that also we have seen. So this is the structure of the antibodies, and we have seen the antigen antibody reactions. So these variable regions we have seen just, that is the antibody for an antigen lies in a sequence of amino acid. So in variable region there is the particular sequence of amino acids or antibody region. Then these are the active sites of an antibody. Here the molecule bind to specific antigens. Now both the arms have the same amino acid sequence and therefore bind to the same kind of antigen. Both the arms have the same amino acid sequence and therefore bind to the same kind of antigen. Here we have seen here हे जे दोन्ही parts आहेत, इथे जो amino acid sequence and here the amino acid sequence, it will be the same. So these can bind to the same that is the antigen. इथला जो अमायनो ऍसिड सिक्वेन्स आणि याही या ज्या आहेत लाईट आणि हेवी चेन हा जो पार्ट आहे याचा सिक्वेन्स ऑफ अमायनो ऍसिड आणि याचाही सिक्वेन्स ऑफ अमायनो ऍसिड हा सेम असणार. त्यामुळे देअर विल बी द बाइंडिंग टू द that is the same type of the antigen, that is bind to specific antigen. So then does each antibody can join two antigen in a lock and key manner, forming an antigen antibody complex. So in this manner the antigen antibody complex it is formed, and this is all about the structure of antibody. So formation of antigen antibody complex, here with the help of diagram also you can see. This is again the special diagrams to draw if it is asked, that is formation of antigen antibody complex. So how the antigen antibody complex it is formed, it is given in this diagrammatic fashion. So so sometimes the question may ask simpler question about to draw the diagram. So this is the diagram of, here you can see that antibodies bound to antigenic determinants are there. So here you can see these are the antigens, okay, and this is globular protein, antibodies and antigen. हे कशा पद्धतीने एक सिम्पलर फॉर्म मध्ये हे दाखवलेले आहे. अँटीजेनिक डिटर्मिनंट दॅट वी कॉल्ड इट एज द इपिटोप्स अँड अँटीबॉडीज चा जो पोर्शन आहे त्याला आपण म्हणतो पॅराटोप्स. सो दीज आर द टर्म्स अँड दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द अँटीजन अँटीबॉडी कॉम्प्लेक्स. Now this is the main difference between antigen and antibody. So antigen and antibody, any antigen is again any foreign material which brings about an immune response in the body is called antigen. This is the proper definition, and simply you know any foreign particle that enters in the body is called as antigen. So this is simple definition. In first point you can write. Then antibodies are what? Glycoproteins. So these are the glycoproteins formed in the body against the antigen, that is called as the antibodies. Antibodies चे परत types आपण पाहिलेले आहे. That also you have to remember the point. Antibodies are the free antibodies, and some antibodies are the mostly we have seen that is forming the antigen antibody complex. It triggers the formation of antigen that trigger the formation of antibodies, while these antibodies are produced against the antigen. Then antigens may be free molecules or component of microbial cell surface. And antibodies, these are extruded from surface of plasma cells. So these are extruded from surface of plasma cell. And these are the free molecule or the components of microbial cell surface. Now structure of antigen is also variable. Antibody is having particularly, just we have seen, the structure of antigen is variable, but antibody is having Y shape. Okay, to heavy chain and to light chain. Just we have seen this is the structure of the antibody. Now just we will have a simple look about the ABO blood group system along with this. Now ABO blood group system already you have studied. Now just in very short form we will just have a look on the ABO blood group system. ABO blood group system everyone you know very well. The immunity शी पण related आहे. That's why we are going to see in this chapter, in this topic, also this ABO blood group system. So this is discovered by, Karl Landsteiner in 1900. So later on, AB blood group was discovered by this De Castro and Sterling in 1902. AB blood group, ABO, and then AB blood group is found out by De Castro. So Landsteiner noticed two antigens, त्यालाच आपण म्हणणार agglutinogens, on the surface of human red blood cells, called antigen A and antigen B. टू अँटीजन्स त्यांनी फाइंड आउट केले की जी आरबीसी असते रेड ब्लड सेल त्याच्या सरफेसवर एक ज्या समजा काही ह्युमन बिंग्स आहे ज्याच्या आरबीसीज वर जर ए अँटीजन असेल तर ते झाले ब्लड ग्रुप ए, तर त्यांची जे बॉडी आहे ब्लड जे आहे ते बी म्हणजे अँटीबॉडीज फॉर्म करणार. अँटीजन ए प्रेझेंट आहे आरबीसीज वर आणि अँटीबॉडीज जस्ट वी विल सी इन द चार्ट इन डिटेल्स. सो टू अँटीजन्स त्यांनी फाइंड आउट केले की प्रत्येक लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये ब्लड सेम आहे, ब्लडचं कंपोजिशन सेम आहे, ब्लड इज सेम, पण तरी सुद्धा वन पर्सन ब्लड डज नॉट मॅच टू अनदर वन. सो व्हॉट इज द रिझन बिहाइंड दॅट? एका व्यक्तीचं ब्लड दुसऱ्याला मॅच होत नाहीये, मग काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे त्याच्यामध्ये? याचा अभ्यास जेव्हा लँडस्टीनरनी केला तेव्हा लँडस्टीनरनी ह्युमन टू ह्युमन त्या आरबीसीचा जेव्हा अभ्यास केला तेव्हा लक्षात आलं की सम पीपल दे आर हॅव्हिंग द आरबीसीज वर अँटीजन ए फॉर्म झालेला आहे, तर काही दुसऱ्या ह्युमन बिईंगच्या आरबीसीज मध्ये अँटीजन बी फाइंड आउट झालेलं आहे. अँटीजन ए आहे, सम पीपल दे आर हॅव्हिंग अँटीजन बी. So these म्हणजे on that basis these blood group system it is find out. So two corresponding antibodies agglutinins in the serum called antibody A and antibody B. Suppose antigen A is present, then antibody B is formed. Antigen B is present on the RBCs, antibody A is formed. That also we are going to see in the form of chart. So in ABO system, the blood groups are classified into 4 groups: A, B, AB, and O. That you know on the basis of presence or absence of these antigen A and antigen B as follows. So here you can see the blood group. 4 types of these blood groups are there. Genotypic presentation in chapter inheritance मध्ये जो जेनेटिक इनहेरिटन्स मध्ये हा एबीओ ब्लड ग्रुप इन द फॉर्म ऑफ जिनोटाइप्स त्यावेळेला आपण घेतलेला होता. ब्लड ग्रुप सिस्टम एबीओ that is the multiple allele examples. So in that we have seen ABO blood group system. Here we are going to see ABO blood group system in the form of this antigen antibody. So on the basis of the antigen present on the RBC, each living organisms having the different types of these, that is the blood group system. So A blood group, those people in having the A blood group, genotypes will be I, you know, and this is the hybrid combination, and antigen on surface of the RBCs will be A, but antibody produces B, that is in a serum. So these can donate the blood to A, AB, and can receive the blood. So from the A will receive the blood from the A, and that is the O is, you know, universal donor hai. AB is universal acceptor, already you know. AB is the receiver. Here there is a combination of A and B, both antigen. So it is only the receiver. O is donor, universal donor. So A blood group person will take the blood from A only, and O is universal donor, that's why O. But can donate the blood to A as well as AB. Now B, here the blood group B. B is having again the genotype same like this. Here IA, like IB, IB, and the same like this. So B antigen, it will be present on the RBCs of the human being. So those person are considered as a B blood group person. So in that antibody will be the A. As the antigen is present B on the RBCs, antibody will be A. And here also it can donate the blood to B, B to B, and AB, where there is the combination of B. सो विथ ए. सो दॅट्स वाय ए बी ब्लड ग्रुपला पण डोनेट केलं जाऊ शकतं आणि बी टू बी अँड रिसीव्ह again in the same manner from the B blood group person and O blood group person. Now next is AB. Here that will be only one combination IA IB, which is the genetic combination. And here on the antigen, some people they are having the RBCs where it is found that antigen A is present and antigen B present. Both are present. Some people they are having only antigen A is present on the RBCs. Some people they are having only B is present as an antigen on the RBCs, and some people they are found in their blood the antigen A as well as antigen B present on the. So in that condition, when A and B both are present, the antibodies will be nil. There will be no antibodies in the serum. So such type of the blood group, it is the AB blood group. So AB blood group naturally can donate only to AB, but receives the blood from all types. I mean, it is called as the AB, and O, because the combination of A also, B also, and O is the universal donor. So that's why AB, it is considered as a universal acceptor. It can accept the blood from each and every blood group. So AB is the universal acceptor, but can donate the blood to only AB person. Now, next is O blood group. That's O blood group. It is having this combination. Okay, IOI. So here that is the antigen on the surface on the RBCs. It will be nil. So here in this blood group O, there will be no antigen. इथे कुठल्याही प्रकारचे antigen नसणार over. तर antibody A and antibody B, it will be found in the serum. No antigen, but antibodies A and antibodies B, it is found in the serum. So it can donate blood to A, B, AB and O, but can receive the blood from O only, because in the serum, that is antibody A is also present, antibody B is present. So here it can receive the blood only from the O. ओला फक्त ओचंच ब्लड चालणार. O can donate blood to each and every blood group, but can receive only from O blood group. So this is the very interesting and the simpler structure about this ABO blood group system. It is very clear. That is, you know, there are these 4 blood group types. How it is find out? That is by the Landstiner. Landstiner ने पहिले blood group A आणि B find out केला, and then Sterling आणि यांनी Castellini AB blood group find out केलेला आहे. In this manner, that is the blood group system that it is find out. So in this is the genotypic combination and antigen on the basis of the antigen on the RBCs. How these blood groups it is find out. So in case of the AB, you have to remember there is no antibody, but antigens are present. In AB, antigens are present, no antibody. While in case of the O, opposite, antigens are absent, but the antibodies are present. So this is the opposite condition about the AB and O. So this is all about the ABO blood group system. And again, there is the RH factor. This is, we can say the blood is having the positive, A positive or A negative, B positive, B negative. We are always saying the positive and the negative. So this is called as the RH factor, where antigen D it is also considered. So that also we will see in the names. And antigen, that is the RH factor. It is also very important. It is considered later, and then the blood transfusion mechanism, it becomes very efficient and possible to give the bloods to any person on the basis of finding such a factor. It becomes easy to transfuse the blood or to donate the blood to a person. So here we will see, we will stop, and we have seen the structure of the antibody antigen complex, antibody antigen reaction, the study of the branch special where antigen antibody it is studied, that is called as the serology. And this is the complete chart of blood group system on the basis of antigen, how the blood groups are classified.